Okay, we're gonna play some Skyrim. Let's fucking do it. Last time we got a quest to get Dragonstone. Right, Dragonstone. We'll get the Dragonstone. It's a bit spooky here. Chicken. No, I'm not. Where's that guy? Oh, no, what? Oh.
Trouble?
What the fuck? Okay, we are here at Bleak Falls Barrow, I think. Oh, yep, there we are. Fucking yep. Right, okay, let's crack on, I guess. Oh, shh. Take his clothes. Oh, they have not seen me. Right for the tits. Oh, yes. Okay, let's do this. Where the fuck's that? Oh, can't go through there. Fuck it. Thunder pussy. No weapons got thunder pussy. No, you have anything? No. Okay. Right, let's do this. Who wants some? Who wants some? Okay, the spider wants some. Oh, for fuck's sake, look at the size of it! Right, run. There's that guy. Come on. Fucking dodge and weave. Right, fire, shoot it. Fire. Oh.
Burn, you spider bastard. Go back to where you came, you demon. Fuck you, spider. You're exterminated. Fuck you, spider.
Right, I'm getting you down. Right, oh my god, look at his face.
You did it. You killed it.
Look
now
at
cut
his
me
face.
down before anything else shows
I have a feeling this guy's gonna fucking betray me.
Yeah.
And I knew it, he's running away. And he's dead. Okay, right. I want to try this out. I want to try this thing out. Right, where we are. Okay.
Oh, give me your words. Give me your words. Oh, yes.
Right. Oh, shite. You know what? I can take this cunt. Oh, right, come at me. Oh, that took a lot of damage. Okay, fuck it. We're going spot. Right, fucking come at me. You want some? Come on then. You want some pussy? Come get some pussy. You want the pussy? You need to chase this tail. Come on, bitch. We'll take that. Run. Alright. Fuck you. Ow. You want some pussy? Come on. Come get it. Surely. Can I use that? No. Right. Okay, come on. No, this isn't working. Where is he? Oh, he's there. No, he's not. Where is he? Oh, he's there. Fuck you! Come on, get some pussy. Oh, you taunting me? I'm taunting you, bitch! Give me your shit. Guess what? I got your fucking claw.
Show those thieves. The
Yep.
sooner you find... You found
I've
it.
arrived with it, bitches.
There it is.
Yep, there it is.
It seems smaller.
Don't
than
mind
I
the smell.
remember. Funny thing, huh? I'm
Yep.
gonna put this back
Yep.
where it belongs. I'll never forget
Yep.
this. You've done a great thing for me and my sister.
Oh, I'll do great things for your sister later. But don't you worry about that. Guess who's back, bitches? I'm home.
You see?
The
The terminology is clearly first
Oh,
era
here's
or
this guy.
even
I
earlier.
want her
I'm
armor.
convinced this is a copy of a much older
Right.
text. Ah,
Yep, I returned.
Dragonstone of Bleak Falls
Got your
Barrow.
shit.
Seems you are a cut above the usual brutes the Jarl
Oh,
sends my
you call
way.
me a brute? Fuck off, Chinnigans. Where's my reward? Piece of shit.
Leave
Oh,
me
fuck
alone.
you! Oh, fuck you, bitch.
You went into
Oh,
Bleak
bitch.
Falls Barrow and
You know, I'm not gonna take that. Fuck you,
nice work.
bitch.
Just send me a
Oh,
copy.
something's
Files
happening.
of it.
Oh,
Farengar, you need to come at once. A dragon's
Oh,
been
Jesus.
sighted nearby.
oh my
you should
god.
come too.
Dragon.
Fuck you, bitch.
How exciting.
I will leave you alone.
What was it doing?
I'd take this a bit more seriously if I were you. If a dragon decides to attack Whiterun, I don't know
Oh
if we can
dear
stop
god.
it. Let's
Oh
go.
shit, I'll take this wine. Because, you know, I have enough wine.
So, Irileth tells me you came from the Western
Oh, yes.
Watchtower?
Yes,
Oh.
my lord.
Tell
Oh,
him
here
what
we
you
go.
told me about the dragon.
Yes.
Oh, that's right.
Sounds like Jon
Sword
Snow.
coming from the south. It was fast. Faster than anything I've ever seen.
What did it do? Is it attacking the Watchtower?
No, my lord. It was just circling overhead when I left. I never ran so fast in my life. I thought it would come after me, for sure.
Good work, son. We'll take it from here. Head down to the barracks for some food and rest. You've earned it. Irileth, you'd better gather some guardsmen and get down there.
I've already ordered my men to muster near the main
Oh
gate.
my god.
Good.
Oh
Don't
my
fail me.
god.
There's no time to
No,
stand on
there is
ceremony,
no.
my friend.
Let's go fucking get the
Need your
dragon.
help again. I want you to go with Irileth and help her
I
fight
will.
this dragon. You survived Helgen, so you
Oh,
have
Jesus
more
Christ, here
experience
we
with
go.
dragons than anyone else here.